सिल्वर के भी हम पास में ही थे, बट उनको गिफ्ट दिया है, वो मेरी फेवरेट पिस्टल है।
2 days back she gave us the
2 days back. मीठा बात.
कल आइसक्रीम खाई थी। Give me aloo ka paratha.
sugar.
Tokifu. Today I'm reading सिंक इन तो हो गया है, बट परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छी थी। ऑल्दो सिल्वर के भी हम पास में ही थे, बट परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी थी। आई थिंक टोक्यो से यहाँ तक की जर्नी भी काफ़ी फुल ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स थी। ऑल्दो ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छी थी, बट काफ़ी नर्वसनेस थी मैच में भी। एज माई कोच सेज कि यू ओनली फील नर्वस फॉर लाइक only 2 kind of people will feel nervous. See, firstly,
Only 2 will not feel now.
only 2 will not feel nervous. They're dumb.
Is the
Let's-
Tokyo
let's
chapter
see.
closed for good, or is it still a reference point?
Tokyo?
Tokyo chapter is
The experience will
What
always
Tokyo?
be there. The experience will always be
What
there.
Tokyo? What happened to
Tokyo.
Tokyo?
Manu, I read somewhere that you have Maya Angelou's and Still I Rise tattooed. Is that right?
I don't know whose it is, but now it's mine. I got it in 2022 January, and I think now only when people tell me that I have the tattoo, only then I'm like, oh, I have the tattoo. After Tokyo, the time was, I mean, I was trying to move on and trying to get over it, but it was getting even difficult. Day by day was getting even more difficult. So I was like, you know what, I'll get a tattoo, and after the tattoo it will remind me that I have to, move on. It'll be gone, and I should be talking about things in future and not like stick to the past and be stuck there. So I saw it on Pinterest and I really liked it, and I gave it a meaning for myself, and then
We were finding her 40 to 400 euros every day. Someone.
No, maybe more.
How
That-
much have you donate?
No, but she used to decide that. Not, it was not my.
Have you kept count of how much you donated?
I think no, never did. And she still owes something.
no, now I don't know. No.
She still owe. I'll make her remember that.
For the 0.1 point.
No, that was one day before the last match.
After getting a medal, you were quoting the Gita, and I believe you also read Mark Manson's Battle Art of Not Giving an F.
How do you know about that? I think that was a long time back.
What else do you like to read? Now you are a sort of passionate reader.
So I do have books with me. I always have something or the other to read. जैसे हमको फ़ोन तो अलाउड है ही नहीं, so during flights, during traveling and all, if I'm not sleeping, then I'll probably read or eat. So that's that. I really like Usain Bolt's book.
But she took. We went to meet the ambassador, and she got a Gita also from there, because उनके घर में वो गीता पढ़ी हुई थी, and he was not really happy to give because I think maybe some limited edition was there. And she said, "Oh, you'll not gift me this."
No, he was talking about the book, and he was like, "This is such a good book, such a good book." I was like, "Are you gifting it to me?"
Music.
Yes, I am a big music listener. So even if I'm driving, I need music. Otherwise, I won't be able to drive with patience. If I'm sad, I have different playlists. If I'm happy, then I have different playlists. If I want to feel motivated
You have
or I'm
Taylor
working out,
Swift.
I mean, few songs of hers, yes. But it's like more like Karan Aujla, Diljit Dosanjh, Arijit Singh for me, and then the 90s.
So are those
Playlist.
happy songs for sad moments or sad songs?
It depends how I want to feel. Sometimes I want to feel bad, so I'll play emotional music and sad music, like Mola Meri Lele Meri Jaan type. So if I want to feel sad, then I'll feel sad. I'll play sad music. I think the Indian mythology या फिर जो भी ancient history जैसे कह लो, तो उस पे जो भी based films होती हैं, I really enjoy that, and then biopics I really enjoy. So rom-com never hurts anyone. Rom-coms are always like evergreen. Can watch anytime.
Even my shopping style changed because of her shopping. I spend more time on ladies' floor than gents floor because she doesn't stay in gents floor more than 5 minutes, and ladies floor she'll
क्या
be.
काम gents लोग?
What am I doing, ladies floor?
The shooting is not considered as a physical sport as compared to other Olympic sports. How much do you put in physical fitness and all that?
You have to practice to be able to stand for a longer period of time. You have to practice to sustain for a longer period of time, because in a sport such as shooting, we do not have major injuries, but we do have minor injuries, and minor injuries can actually affect your career really badly. For a longer period of time, if you want to sustain, you have to be fit. And it's like, if you are fit now and then later on you'll be like, okay, I'll snack up and then I'll just eat whatever I like. Even for 2-3 months, it'll affect you.
And you need more strength to stand in one place for 2 hours than walking for 2 hours. So we need more strength. They need to be stand still till the last shot. So you can imagine that kind of fitness they need.
In training, we used to train in a way, जो पूरा support staff हुआ करता था, they
They used to clap and all those things.
all kinds of
hooting.
noises and everything to disturb us or distract us. So that really helped us to, kind of deal with the pressure and everything. Whenever I used to lose back in the days, I used to feel really bad, because in boxing, karate and all, I've almost always won. So I was like, yeah, I will win. He made me realize that there will be many competitions you will shoot, but very few you will win, many you will lose.
The lighter note, what have you been eating after that? 2 minutes training.
She gave
Sir,
up the
वैसे
sugar.
तो अभी मैं
2 days back she gave up the sugar.
2 days back.
कल आइसक्रीम खाई थी. अरे वो कुछ
Yeah, but
लगते
you
नहीं,
said
वो
that.
they only keep samosas and ice cream and all, and there's no like fruits or anything. So
But she's honest that way, that she doesn't cheat on exercise, training, eating and all.
What do you crave for?
अभी तक तो मैं घर गई नहीं हूँ एक्चुअली, तो मम्मी के हाथ का खाना अभी खाया नहीं है, बट मम्मी इज हियर विद मी. बट अभी घर नहीं गए, तो अभी जाते ही तो आई विल बी लाइक कि किडनी आलू का पराठा.
What do you do for mind training?
गीता सर. Usually, so I think fitness definitely helps me to be on my toes and be mentally also fit. Then I have anything, if anything bothers me, then I talk to my mom, my dad, my brother. Or if it continues to bother me, even then I'll still keep talking about it, even to sir, to my family, and until it stops to actually bother me. Then I'll write in my journals everything, and then definitely, yes. Then of course meditation before bed. I always meditate before I go to bed, and I read Gita in the meditation before the bed. So it just stays with me when I'm sleeping. So whatever I read, the shlokas and everything, they stay. I think the ultimate one is that only, like, do your karma and focus on your karma. Do not think about the result.
You mentioned.
Yes. And just मतलब मैं अपने आप को भी बोलती हूँ कि अपना कर्म पूरी निष्ठा से करो, और रिजल्ट पर जो आउटकम होगा उस पर ध्यान मत दो. बस अपना पूरा आप उसमें ही कर्म में ही अपना दो.
You think it's going to change attitudes in Haryana, and not just Haryana, in conservative Indian families towards girls going out and participating?
I think it's changing now. It's changing.
No, wait. I think that one event can do some change, but if you want to see big change, then it has to be persistent. It cannot be like one event this could happen and we'll suddenly see change in the society. I think it takes a lot of time to see significant changes in the society. And although we have seen that how it's changed over the period of time, and how India has changed, the society has changed for women also and in general also. But I think for this we need something to be very persistent in the society, and then only we'll be able to see significant changes.
We have a good talent. It's the only thing that we need to protect them. How do we protect them? I think the authorities has to work on it. SAI, Federation, government, tops, everybody has to start working on it. टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है सर, बट उनको प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना इज अ टास्क.
What?
There's no programs which says that that Saurav Chaudhary, what was Saurav Chaudhary's score in Tokyo Olympic? Outstanding. What did we do for him to protect? Nothing. He was not even the national team. He was not even there for the national camps. What happened? Who's responsible for that?
मैडम कल डीएम मोदी से मिले, आप पिस्तौल दिखाया ना जिससे मेडल जीता, क्या कहा उन्होंने आप?
दिया उनको, दिखाया नहीं है,
दिया है
उनको गिफ्ट किया है।
उनको गिफ्ट दिया है। वो मेरी फेवरेट पिस्टल है और वो पर्पल एडिशन सिर्फ स्पेशली मेरे लिए ही मोरिनी वालों ने डिजाइन किया था।
इसका नाम भी लिखा
मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ है मनु इंडिया और मेरी डेट ऑफ बर्थ उसका सीरियल नंबर है। तो वो पिस्टल मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग्स में काफ़ी बार यूज़ करती रहती हूँ। तो आई थिंक वो एक था कि उनको कुछ गिफ्ट दें तो कुछ स्पेशल दें। एक ये चीज़ बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है कि वो हमेशा हमारा हौसला अफजाई करते हैं। वो बोलते हैं कि अभी तुम यंग हो, अभी तुम्हें और भी आगे जाना है। तो ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं सुनने में और हमें भी अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ और मेहनत करेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे।